Wash the bottle, remove the label, mark your desired height, cut carefully, and sand the edge until
you'll need an empty bottle, scissors, a utility knife, sandpaper, hot glue, jute rope, and a few simple decorating supplies. Apply hot glue a little at a time and wrap the rope tightly for a neat, professional finish. Trim the edges. Add simple decorations. Apply a clear sealer to protect the surface. Your recycled plastic bottle is now a stylish and practical pen holder, ready to organize your workspace.
Clean the bottle, mark the height, cut it carefully, and smooth the edges for a safe finish.
Wrap the bottle with jute rope, gluing each row tightly for a clean and durable finish. Add simple decorations and seal the surface to protect your handmade organizer. A simple plastic bottle is now a beautiful desk organizer that's practical, affordable, and easy to make at home. Don't throw away this plastic bottle. Let's turn it into a stylish desk organizer.